Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. I'm Madam Haziq, and today I'm going to explain to you about the physics of drone. There will be two parts of this presentation, and the first one being Bernoulli's principal flight. So Bernoulli principal flights explains how an aircraft can fly with the shape of its wings. They are shaped so that air flows faster at the top of the wing and slower underneath. This creates a lift that will fly the aircraft. Next, let's see how a propeller works. So the first step is airflow flow across wings. This causes a region of low pressure. And next, opposite scenario under the wing. Airspeed under the wings is lower and creates a region of low pressure. Lastly, it will create a lift due to difference in pressure. Lift force is generated pushing the wings upwards. Okay, this is a demonstration of how the air above the wing moves faster. So V is velocity. Next is this shows that the results in pressure below the wing to be larger than pressure above. So this pressure difference will create a lift to the wings. And according to Bernoulli's principle, as velocity increases, pressure decreases. And this is a rotor, and this concept relates to rotor is propeller design based on Bernoulli principle, and so are rotors. Now we move on to vertical motion. Rotors are used for propulsion and control. It is sort of like a fan where spinning blade pushes the air down, and when a rotor spins, it produces a greater lift. And in vertical plane, drone can hover, which is remain in one place in air and doesn't move. Second one being move upwards, and the third one is moving downwards. So the motion principles of a drone: there's turning or rotating, forward and sideways, which is the drone will be able to tilt forward as it will get a greater force from the rear end. Next, we have the drone movement for three types of drones: quadcopter, hexacopter, and octocopter. First, we take a look at quadcopter. So quadcopter uses four main motions. The motions are the first two motions are the yaw, which is the clockwise and counterclockwise spin. The last two is pitch, which is it defines that drones forward and backwards rotation. Next is hexacopter. Hexacopter has the same configuration as quadcopter, but it uses 6 rotors. If one rotor fails, the drone can still fly. And the last one is octocopter. It has the same configuration as quadcopter, but it uses 8 rotors. If 2 or 3 rotors fail, the drone can still fly. And that's it for my presentation. Thank you.